Hi students, welcome to our class. Are you ready? Yes. In previous class we studied about some grammar portions. Okay, I hope all of you studied well. Okay, now we are going to learn a new chapter, our second chapter. The name is The Clever Farmer. The Clever Farmer. The Clever Farmer. Who is the farmer? Farmer means one who cultivate the plants in the farming field is farmer. Cultivate the plants and other plants, small plants and large trees are called the farmer. One who cultivate the plants and other trees are known as the farmer. Farmer gives some food items and other economically important items for our. Okay, next, the clever farmer. Second chapter is clever farmer. Yes, do you help at home? All of you help at home? Okay, please circle the things that you do. First picture, we get some picture, 3 picture in his here. As first one, a boy helps his mother. Okay, next one, a boy puts some things on in his bags. Third one, a girl helps her grandma. Okay, please circle what we do at home. Okay, thank you. Please listen your textbook and I read the story. Once there lived an old farmer. He had a big farm with many coconut trees and mango trees. He worked hard and became very rich. He had 2 lazy sons who did not work at all. This made him very unhappy. One day, the farmer thought of teaching his sons a lesson. It was in December. Okay, December. The farmer took his sons to the farm. The trees had only a few leaves. Students, my dear students, please take a pencil and underline the new words on your textbook. Okay, and please write on the notebook after the portion. Okay, okay, okay. Please listen. Once there lived an old farmer. Once upon a time, lived an old farmer. What is old? Old means having a certain age. Having a certain age. Having lived a long time. That means old. Lived in long time means old. Old. What is the opposite of the old? Yes, new. 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 Old, new. Okay, old farmer. Farmer means one who plants the trees and plants or crops are called a farmer. Farmer plants trees and crops for food items and other economically important items. Okay. Okay. He had a big farm. He had a big farm. What do you mean by farm? Farm means the land for cultivating trees and other plants. Okay, trees cultivating of plants. Farm. Farm means the land for cultivating plants. The farmer had a big farm with many coconut trees and mango trees. Coconut trees and mango trees. The farm with full of coconut trees and mango trees. He worked hard and became a very rich. Rich means with a lot of money. He had lot of money. Okay, he worked hard and became very rich. He worked very hard and become a very rich. Okay, thus once there lived an old farmer. He had a big farm. Which plants are cultivated in this farm? Mango trees and coconut trees. Okay, mango trees and coconut trees and become he worked hard and he worked sincerely and he became a very rich man. He had two lazy sons. Lazy sons who did not work at all. Lazy means to waste the time pleasantly. To waste the time. To waste, did not work at all. Did not work at all. He waste the time at all. Okay. He had two lazy sons. He did not work at all. Okay. This made him very unhappy. The farmer was very unhappy because his sons did not work at all and lazy sons. Okay. Once again, please listen. Once there lived an old farmer. Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer. Okay, old farmer. He had a big farm of coconut trees and mango trees and he worked hard. He worked sincerely and he became a very rich. Okay. He had two sons. And the sons who did not work at all. Lazy sons. This made him very unhappy. So, lazy sons. So, the farmer made him very unhappy. Okay, next paragraph. One day the farmer thought of teaching his sons a lesson. One day the farmer decided to teach a lesson his sons a lesson. Okay. It was a December. What is December? December is the name of month. Okay. Name of the month. What is the name of the other months? Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December is the last month of the year. Okay, December is the last month of the year. Okay, please write the name of the month on your notebook and study well the spelling of these months. Okay. December is the winter season. Okay. The farmer took his sons to the farm. Farmer, the old man, called his sons. Please come here. And the farmer took his sons to the farm. He took his sons and going to the farm. Okay. The trees had only few leaves. At the time of December, at the time of winter season, the leaves are shedded to the leaves. Okay, all leaves are shedded. Few leaves are present on this. Trees had only few leaves. Okay. The ground was hard and dry. My son, he said, I have a hidden treasure in the farm. I have a hidden treasure. Hidden treasure means things such as gold, silver and jewels. Dig the mud and put the gold and silver and jewels and covered with the mud. Okay, these are known as the treasure. Okay, the ground was very tumbled and dry. And my sons, the farmer said to the sons, my sons, please come here. I have a hidden treasure in the farm. Here I have a treasure. Please come here, and I have a treasure here. Please find out the treasure. Okay, please find out the treasure. Please try to find out the treasure. Okay, please next page. Okay, if you want find it, the farmer said the sons. If you want to find it, what find it? Yes, treasure, hidden treasure, find it. You must dig deep. Deep means very deep. Dig in very deeply, and you must turn over every bit of the soil. Turn over, dig means turn over the land, turn over the sand, turn over the sand by a spade. Okay, turn over, dig means turn over the soil by a tool or mechanical tool, and you must turn over the every bit of the soil. He said to his sons, dig the deep dig and try to find out the treasure. Deep dig and try to find out the treasure. You must turn over every bit of the soil. You must dig the every bit of the soil, and careful not, you must be careful, you must be, but you must be careful not to spoil the roots of while digging. Not spoil, not spoil means useless, spoil means useless, to make unfit, not unfit the, unfit the root of the plants, not unfit the root of the plants, and you must carefully dig the land, not unfit to the spoil or not spoil the roots of while the digging. Okay, and you must not dig too far from the trunks. You must not dig too far from the trunks, too far from the, you must not dig too far from the, please dig the under the trees, the root of the trees, please dig the root of the trees. Okay, not too far from the tree. Trunk means the main stem is called trunk. The main stem of the plant is called trunk. The farmer said not dig too far from the trunk, please dig the near to the trunk. Okay, near to the trunk. Farmer said to his sons, please dig the near to the trunk. Okay, not spoil the but not spoil the root of the tree. Okay, okay, while dig, and you must dig the too far from the trunk. The treasure will be yours only if you dig properly. You want treasure, if you want treasure, please dig properly, the treasure will be yours only if you dig properly, dig the sand. Okay, yes. The lazy son became excited. The sons became excited to find out the treasure. Okay, they did not like to work. The lazy sons did not want to lay, but they wanted to share treasure. Gold and gold coins are dig into the mud, under the mud. Okay, that means a treasure. Okay, this treasure he wants to, that lazy sons wants to treasure, so he engaged to the work. He engaged to the work, and but they wanted to treasure, they like to work. Okay, okay, they picked up a spade. Spade means, what is the spade? The broad tool for the digging. A broad tool for the digging is known as the spade. Okay, we can see the picture of spade in our textbook. Okay, okay, spade and dig proper. Lazy sons become excited. They did not like to work, but they wanted to the treasure. They picked up the spade and began to digging. They start to digging. Okay, they dug deep into ground. They dug here and there and deep into the ground. They carefully turned over the soil. Here and there. They carefully turned over the soil. But they did not find any treasure here. Any treasure. Okay, they found only stones and mud. Only stones and muds are seen. Okay, which they are threw away. Their soft hands are become hard and brown. Okay, Okay, soon it was a summer. Next season is a summer. Summer is starting. Next summer is starting. The mango trees were full of golden mangoes. The mango trees are full of golden. The golden mangoes is the mangoes are ripened. They ripen in the summer season. The ripened mangoes are shed on the ground, and some are sling on the trees, mango trees. Okay, trees full of golden mangoes. Okay, the sons looked proudly. Oh, mangoes, very. The sons looked proudly at the ripe mangoes and big green coconuts, and the mangoes trees were full of golden mangoes, and the sons looked proudly, very happily, very happily, and big green coconuts. They get very large coconuts. Please, may we sell the fruits? The sons asked to her father, please, may we sell the fruits? Please, may we sell the fruits? Okay, they asked the father. He agreed. The old farmer agreed. Okay, they asked the father. He agreed. So the sons went the fruit to the merchant. The son went to the fruit merchant. Who is the merchant? Merchant is person who buy and sell the things. The large number is known as the merchant. The buying and selling, one who buying and the sellings of things in the large numbers is called a merchant. Okay, merchant shop. We can see the one who stand in the shops to buy and sell the things are known as merchant. Okay, okay. At the time of digging, the air is passed to the root of the plants. Air is passed to the root of the plants, and water at the time of water. The roots are upward. Roots are absorb the water very easily to the plant body. So the tree give more and more harvest. Okay, okay. Here the lazy sons are start to dig. The mud are easily began to digging. They dug are the ground is dug are the easily slimy, and the farmer watered the plant slimy. The watered the plant, and the aeration is take properly. The tree give the large harvest. Okay, okay. The merchant was amazed. The merchant was amazed, very surprised to see the harvest. Okay. I have never seen fruits in the fine days. I had never seen this type of harvest in this time. Okay, I shall give you lot of money for these fruits. I shall give you lot of money for these fruits. The farmer and his sons were happy. The old farmer and his sons were very happy. The merchant said, you must have worked very hard. Merchant said to his sons, lazy sons, or you must have worked very hard. That is why got such a wonderful harvest. Okay, that is why you got the very wonderful harvest. When he worked hardly, he got the very large harvest. Okay, when he worked hardly, the sons got very large harvest. Okay, that's a wonderful harvest. The farmer said, you can share this money. Please share this money. Share this money. This is your treasure. Okay, this is your treasure. This is your treasure. The farmer said to his sons, you earned it with your hard work. This is the treasure for your hard work. This is the treasure for your hard work. The sons understood the importance of the hard work. Okay, the sons understood the importance of the hard work, and that was the lesson. That was their lesson. The starting time, the farmer thought, teach a lesson for his sons. That is the lesson for this. That was their lessons. It was the treasure the father promised them. It was the treasure the father promised them. Please, do you like this story? Yes. Okay, students, this story gives a message, a moral message. If you work hard, you got a good result. You got a good result. Okay, students, in this story we got a message, a moral message. When you work hard, we got a good result. Okay, we get a good result. Okay, please listen the new words from this chapter. Okay, please listen. First one, farmer. Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Next one, farm. Farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Next one, lazy, L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Please underline these words on your textbook, and after you write on your notebook also and study well the spelling. Okay, unhappy. Okay, next, December. Sorry, lesson, L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. Okay, next one, December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Next, treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E, treasure. Okay, treasure. Next one, dig. Dig, deep, deep. Spoil, spoil. Spade, okay. Next, merchant. C, okay, H-A-N-T, harvest. Okay, the new words from the chapter, the clever farmer. Amazed, amazed. Harvest. Sorry. Next one, promised. Okay. Proudly. Summer. Okay, enough. Okay, these are the new words from our second chapter, the clever farmer. Okay, first word is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Next word, farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Next, lazy, L-A-Z-Y, lazy, okay, L-A-Z-Y. Unhappy, U-N-H-A-P-P-Y, unhappy. Listen, L-E-S-S-O-N, listen. December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, B-E-R, December. Treasure, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E, treasure. Okay. Next, dig, D-I-G, dig. Deep, D-E-E-P. Spoil, S-P-O-I-L, spoil. Spade, S-P-A-D-E, spade. Next one, merchant, M-E-R-C-H, okay, C-H-A-N-T, merchant. Harvest, H-A-R-V-E-S-T, harvest. Amazed, A-M-A-Z-E-D, amazed. Promised, P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. Proudly, P-R-O-U-D-L-Y, proudly. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Okay, all of you try to read these words and carefully write on your notebook and study well the spelling of these new words. Okay, okay, today I hope all of you like our merchant story, our farmer story, clever farmer story, and I hope all of you had understood all the story and meanings of this story. Okay, students, today finish our class and take care. Good night.